Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have Lindt LINDOR Assorted chocolate mix with milk, extra dark white and hazelnut chocolate. Irresistibly smooth. Nice packaging design. It's like golden and reflecting text also. So yeah, this is chocolate all the way from Switzerland. Yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. Opens us very nicely. That's good. So, 4 different ones. And we're gonna taste them all. Let's see how they look inside. So I believe this is the milk chocolate one. Ooh, juicy inside. What about this one? Is this the white chocolate? I think it is. Yup. Also, juicy inside. And then we got the hazelnut. Ooh, also juicy inside. And lastly, the dark chocolate. So dark. Look. Yummy. Damn, the knife is so messy now. But yeah, here's the chocolate. Let's go ahead and taste them up. It's the moment of truth. Let's see if Lindt LINDOR tastes any good. So, here we have 4 different chocolate pieces. Smells delicious. I think I'm gonna start with this dark chocolate one. It's really juicy inside. So soft. Ooh. The outer shell is really dark, like really, maybe like 80% dark, I think. But the inside is just regular milk chocolate. It is good, but I think a little bit too dark for me. I don't like it this dark. And it's hard to taste the insides of this chocolate piece. But if you like dark chocolate, I think that's good for you. For me, 7 out of 10 maybe. The next, hazelnut. The hazelnut flavor is very small, really small, but it's there somehow. I feel small hazelnut pieces inside my mouth. But mostly it's just milk chocolate. I think they should have put more hazelnut pieces and bigger ones. This one maybe like, it's a solid one, 8 out of 10. And next, we have the white chocolate. I think this will be super sweet, really sweet. That's too sweet for me, man. This is, you will get diabetes from this one. Too much sugar. So sweet. Ooh. But if you like white chocolate, I think that's good for you. Still solid. 8 out of 10. Next. The classic one, just milk chocolate. Yeah, this one the best. 9 out of 10. Just overall good milk chocolate. Yeah. They didn't lie about this irresistibly smooth, because it's really smooth inside. It's almost like liquid. Like it's, if you make a hole, I think it's gonna pour out. It's so smooth, really smooth. I think you should put this in the fridge, to be honest. They were too smooth for me. Yeah, overall, good mix. But to be honest, it's not so special if you think like this is some kind of premium brand. Compared to that, it's not so special. Like I was expecting more. So I think I give this like 8 out of 10. It's solid chocolate, but compared to the price, and this is supposed to be like premium that you eat like once a year, I don't think this is so great product. Like, there's much better ones you can give out there. Like Ferrero Rocher, for example, is in the same price category as this one, so I think you should buy that one instead of this one. Or I don't know how much this costs. Maybe this is a little bit cheaper. Yeah, Swiss chocolate, really good, worth to try, but maybe not for long term. 8 out of 10. And thanks for watching this review. Leave a comment if you like it or not. And have you tasted these yourself before? Lindt is a very famous brand, but I think they have better products than this one. I gotta test them later. Yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more reviews. Thanks for watching.